Welcome to family-owned and operated Germain Lexus of Naples. We've been proudly serving the Naples market for over 35 years. Come find the vehicle of your dreams.
Going boldly forward like no crossover before it. The 2016 Lexus NX 200T. The NX makes the most of every cubic inch of its 2.0-liter engine. Highly evolved twin-scroll turbocharger technology and Drive Mode Select provides quick acceleration and great efficiency. All this while the intelligent all-wheel drive system monitors vehicle and road conditions to predict your path and get you there comfortably. Inside the NX, enjoy the handcrafted styling and luxury amenities that all Lexus models are known for. Voice-activated navigation, available heated leather seats, 7-inch high-res multimedia display top the list of premium design and technology features available to you. The NX is loaded with safety features as well. A pre-collision system with dynamic radar cruise control, a blind spot monitor with cross-traffic alert, and lane departure alert ensure a safe arrival to any destination. The 2016 Lexus NX 200T.
At Germain Lexus of Naples, you'll find the Lexus that's right for you. Stop in today at our convenient location on Tamiami Trail North in Naples, Florida.